Okay. Hello, my name is Yerich. This is my first tutorial about origins and data packs. So this time I'm going to be covering how to use data pack sounds and how to use multi-layers in Origin. Okay. So the first thing is the data pack. This is the sound I'm going to be using you to showcase. Okay. Well, right here we have the origin test multi-layer, and this one is the multi-layer example. Okay, if you press this one, it's not going to do anything because right now I'm a human and I don't have nothing more. Okay, but in the case you choose the origin I made, in this case is from Shingeki no Kyojin, you can be a Titan. Yeah, you need to first choose your origin. Yeah. In this example is this one, Titan Beater. Sorry, it's in Spanish because I speak Spanish, but there is no problem. If you choose the Titan Beater, this one doesn't have any ability, okay? But if you choose it, it's going to open a multi-layer of origin, okay? If I press select, if you can see here it says choose your Titan, okay? In this case we have here an amount of Titans, yeah, you can choose with custom abilities, everyone, yeah. It's in Spanish, as I said, I need to translate to English to publish, but as you can see, you have here multi-layers, okay? You choose the first origin, and by choosing that origin, it's going to open a second layer where you can choose the type of Titan, in this case, yeah? For example, we are going to choose the Armored Titan, okay? If I press O, I'm going to see my origin, my Titan, and my class, okay? So this is a multi-layer example, okay? If I press here, I can change only my layer, okay? For example, if I type origins, yeah, get secret, I have here something new called origins shift Titan. Here I can see what kind of Titan is the player holding, if it is a Titan Beater, okay? So this is a multi-layer, yeah? As you can see, right now I have the attack Titan, okay? So now we are going to see how to accomplish this example, okay? So the first thing we need to do is open our data pack, okay? Okay, I'm right here on my data pack, yeah? As you can see, you go to data. Yeah, you need to go to origins and origins layer. In origins layer, you will find origins, okay, the file origin, okay. Inside, you need to put at least one origin. For example, if you want to make an origin of elements, you need to make a first origin to choose the elements, yeah, in a second layer. For example, I have here Titan Owner, okay. This is my origin. The start origin on the first layer of origins, okay? When you have this done, yeah, you need to save this and close it, okay? We're going to close it, and you need to copy this one, the origin, and paste it again and change the name to whatever you want the layer to be called. In this case, my layer is called Shift Titan, okay? We are going to open it, and you need to do the next code, okay? First, the name. You can change the name of the layer. In this case, if you saw my screen, it was choose your Titan. Here you can just put the name, okay? Choose your element, choose your side, choose your demon, whatever you want to, okay? The next thing you need to do is place origins and do a condition, okay? The condition is first the type of condition, yeah, it's origins origin, okay? You need to check out that the player is choosing an origin, okay? The second is what origin you want the player to choose in order to open the layer. In this case is Titan Owner. I saw you, I showed you where is it, and in this case I just have it here, okay? It's an origin, whatever you want to. Just put it and you will have it right here, okay? Okay, well, and the layer is which layer do you want origins to check out for the condition. In this case is origins origin, okay? Because you need to check out that the player choose the correct origin to open the layer. If you want to do multi-layers, I don't know, 2 or 3 layers, you need to in every layer check out for the last layer. So For example, you choose a demon, yeah, that's the first layer, you choose a fire demon, yeah, and if you want to choose another layer on the fire demon, you need to specify on the layer and in the type, in this case, the name of the folder and the name of the origin, yeah, the name of the layer, sorry, in this case is Shift Titan. You need to change here and place the name of the layer. The name of the layer will be right here, okay? You can do whatever you want of layers, yeah, and just do the condition in order to choose it, okay? And when you're done with the condition, you need to just do the same with the origins and put origins, yeah, and check out which origins is going to be on that layer. In this case, I have all my titans, yeah, loaded right here, yeah. So when you choose Titan Owner, yeah, that is the Titan Beater, yeah, it's going to allow you to choose a second origin, that is the Titan, okay? So this one here, this origin has his own abilities, but the Titan Beater doesn't have any ability, yeah, because it's just a class, for example, yeah. You choose Titan Beater and you can control a Titan, okay? I'm going to copy this code and I'm going to release it on the description, so you can change this right here and you can do it wherever you want to, okay? So you only need to do this. When you do this and it's well made, when you enter to your game, you are going to have a second layer, and if you want to do, you can do the layer whatever you want to, okay? You don't need to make it about Titans, it can be whatever you want to. I can change here to element, yeah, and when I enter to the game, it's going to say element, okay? This is just as example, okay? So with this, you have done the multi-layer structure, so you can place it wherever you want to right here, yeah? So we are going to close both things, yeah, and this is the layer, okay? The only last thing you need to do in order to make this work, you need to make sure that you have an origin to start. In this case, my own is Titan Owner, okay? This one is a simple origin, it doesn't have any power. It's just made just to be picked up and then choose a Titan, yeah? Okay. Next thing for what we are going to do. I saw you the datapack sound example, yeah? We are going to make this work. This is made with a resource pack. You need to have a resource pack in order to make this work, okay? So how we do this? The first thing I recommend you is going to another video and check out for a datapack tutorial, how to make a datapack. Just a datapack, okay? When you have the structure, you will have something like this. This is my datapack, yeah? You have the asset folder and the MC datapack, okay? We are going to enter to asset folder. You need to name the next folder with the name of your resource pack, whatever you want to. In this case, is Secret Titans, is my resource pack. And you need to make a sound folder, okay? Inside sound folder, you can call it whatever you want to. In this case, I call it mob, and then the name of the Titans, okay? In this case, we have Titan, Attack, and Armored, okay? The sound you hear it on the command block that was from Titan. You need to place inside the sound folder a sound in OGG extension. You can do it with Audacity, or you can do it with an online converter, okay? Whatever you want to, you need only to have an OGG sound file, okay? Well, when you have this done, you need to remember the name and the location, where it's located. When you have all of this done, yeah, you need to go back to this place inside the folder of the resource pack, and you need to make another JSON called sounds. You can do what I did in my case, because I'm really bad at this, but go to origins, you just copy the origin, yeah, no matter is the origin, just copy, yeah, paste it on the resource pack and rename it to sounds, yeah. The next thing you need to do is open it, yeah, and inside you need to delete everything, and I'm going to show you what to do. here you need to specify which sounds it's going to change, okay? Because Minecraft is not going to detect by itself which sound you are changing from the game, and you don't need to change if you want. You can just do your own custom sounds, okay? In this case I have 3 custom sounds, 3 custom events for sounds, yeah, and is Source Titan for Scream. You can call it whatever you want to. I just did like this because I want to have structure like this. And you need to first name the event. Source Titan for Attack Roar. In my case, this is when you convert in Attack Titan, it's going to make a roar, okay? And you need to set up the category. In this case I made it for players, so you need to be near a player to sound it, yeah? And where is the sound? This is the important thing, okay? You need to check out where do you have located your sound. How do you do this? As you can see, Series Titan, Mobs, Attack and Roar, but we are going to do it with Transform. Series Titan, Mob Titan for Transform. How do you choose this? You go back to your ResourcePack, and you have the first folder, the name of your ResourcePack. Remember, that folder has the name you choose. For example, you want to do an element origin, you are going to call the ResourcePack elements, for example, yeah, the folder, okay? You enter to elements, yeah, and we go to sounds. You are going to ignore this folder for the location, okay? Just jump it, and you have the mob folder and the Titan folder and the transform. So you need to copy that location, Titan, mob, okay, and Series Titan, in this case, the name of the folder. So you will have something like this. Series Titan is the start of the folder. You can see this one right here, yeah. Mob is this folder, this where you have your sounds, yeah, you have sounds, and the folder you name it. For example, you do a element origin, you are going to say this folder is called elements, yeah, you enter, you go to sounds, and this is not going to be, for example, name mob, it can be element, yeah. You enter to an element and you set fire, ice, I don't know, water, okay. You enter to, for example, to fire, yeah, and you will have here the firepower.ogg, okay? So you are going to copy that location. So in this case it will be like element, yeah. In this case is element fire, and sorry, my record stopped. It was my problem, okay. As I said, you have elements, yeah, this is the namespace folder, element, the name of the folder where it's located, fire, and the name of the sound effect. In this case we are going to say firepower, okay. So how does this work? The data pack is going to search on the resource pack, first the folder name, elements. Second, it's going to go to sounds because it's a sound, you know, sounds, okay. Then it's going to search for the folder element. In this case, as I said, I have my folder called mob, no problem. And then it's going to search the folder fire, and then it's going to search for the sound firepower, okay. In this case it's transform, so I'm going to change it right here. So that's what you need to do in order to make this song work. You can do it whatever you want to do. In this case I have my Titan 4, that is the sound transform. Then I have a second one. You don't need to do a second one if you don't want to. You can end the file here. If you only want to add one sound, you only need to do this one time. If you want to add 10 sounds, you need to add 10 of these. I have 3 right here, yeah? Each one for each sound, okay? That's all you need to do. One last thing you can do is, if you want to have multiple sounds for one event, that is really easy too. For example, you have this event, Source Titan for Scream, okay? It's a category player, you have category ambient, whatever you want. If you want to know which categories do you have, you go to Minecraft, type play sound, yeah, for example, this time I'm going to use my sounds. And then you have here all kind of category you want to. ambient, block, hostile, master, music, neutral, player, record, voice, and wither. Okay. Well, after that, let's go back here. You choose the category, and in sounds, you need to put whatever you want to. Remember, the sounds have this symbol that is an array, so you can put whatever you want to. For example, we can choose a second one. Secret Titans dot mob slash titan, for example, slash transform. So what it's going to do this? Oh, you need to put the comma. Okay, don't forget that. Okay, this is going to say when you choose this event, it's going to reproduce one of these two sounds. Okay, you can put 100 sounds if you want in only one event. It's up to you. Okay, I'm not going to do this right now because it's only one sound in my case, so I'm going to save it, close it, and when you have done this sound.json, yeah, you are going to have something like this, sounds and sound.json. When you are done with this, go back, yeah, and just take your resource pack and give it to your resource pack. As you can see, I have my one here, Shingeki no Craft textures, yeah. So this is allows me to load custom sounds. As you can see, if you play a sound, yeah, play sound, for example, if I search Secret Titan, this is the name of the folder I told you, yeah, you are going to have here the 3 events. If you don't see that, you made something wrong. Maybe you don't determine it very well, the location of the sound in sounds.json, okay? So when you have done this, if you have this is the easy way, okay, the easy step. You only need to check out it works. For example, an ambient secret. You are not hearing it because I'm not filming the game, but I hear the sound, okay? So that means it works. Well, last thing, how do you use your custom sound in your origin? I'm going to show you how I did in my own origin. I'm going to go to my powers, for example, and I'm going to my Titan shift, okay? In my Titan shift, I have something new. As you can see, you have something called execute command. Yeah, it's a very well way to make this work. Yeah, do an execute command, and the command you need to do a function. How do you do a function? Go to your data pack, and you need to make a folder called function. Inside, you need to do MC functions. Yeah, just name it whatever you want. In this case, mine is attack roar dot.mc function. Okay, so when you name it, you go back to your power and you need to put in the command function, yeah, to determine it's a function. Secret Titan in this case is the folder name of your data pack. As you remember, if you go back here, as you can see here is Secret Titan. You go to right here, origins. Secret Titan is the name of the folder. In this case, you can name it elements, for example. Yeah, you enter here, go to functions, and you will have your MC function. Okay, so what you are going to do right now, just put Secret Titan dots attack roar. Okay, so when you do the execute command is going to execute the function with that name. Okay, so we come here, open your function, and here you need to paste the command. Why I do this like this and not with the execute command or the play sound? Because in my case, I don't know why the play sound is not working with the custom sounds from a resource pack, so I'm using a function to make it work. Okay, so you have here the play sound, search Titan, source Titan for attack roar. This is the name of your events. Remember, you need to go to Minecraft, play sound, type the name of your custom sound. If you see it right here, it's working. So for example, source Titan form scream. Yeah, this is going to be an ambient sound. Secret, for example, the place where you want to make it work, the volume you have from 0 to 1, and the pitch. The pitch is how do you want to make it sound. Yeah, if you choose a number below 1, it's going to be a sound slow. I don't know how to say in English. But if you choose up to 1, for example 2, it's going to be really tiny the sound and it's going to be really fast. Okay, so when you do this command, yeah, oh wait, like this, for example, you need to copy this, yeah, just copy the command, shift and press the arrow to select, just copy, go back to your function and put it right here, for example, like this. So when you use your power, it's going to execute the function. The function is going to execute the command is inside. So in this case, it's going to play sound, share titan, source titan for attack roar, player. Yeah, in this case, because I want the sound to hear only in player. And where do you want to call it? This is near the command. The position, this is on the player, and sound and pitch. Okay. When you have this done, just go to your Minecraft, load your data pack, and it's going to work just like that. I recommend you doing with functions so you can do multi-play sounds at the same time, yeah? So, I'm going to close this and I'm going to change the film to the game so you can hear how it works, okay? Okay, we are here for the last time, yeah? As you can see, you can hear the game, yeah? So, how does this work? If I press G right now, you are going to hear how the function system works. Just here. It works really nice and really smoothly. If you have any suggestion or you have any problem making it, just tell to me on the description and we can talk on Discord to help you, okay? So that's all. I hope it works for you and see you next time. See ya!